Hello, today I'm going to show you how to lift up your Mercedes-Benz C180 by using a car jack. First, this is important. You have to pull the handbrake. And if you have an automatic shift system, you have to switch position P for parking. This is really important. And of course, pull the handbrake on the left side, as you can see. And if you do these two important things, the car is locked now, and it is not possible, maybe it's not possible to go away if you're working under the car. So first step, shift to gear P in case of automatic shift, and then pull the handbrake. Then use wedges to to lock the front wheels, and then go at the rear side of your car, and there it is, the hard point for the car jack. Yeah, you're able to see this easy as this model, as you can see. Good job. This place is about the lever of the doors, maybe 10 centimeters left of this, and there you're going to look, and there you're going to locate the car jack area. So now pump up the car smooth and gentle, and if you are going to pump up, use a rubber on top. This is important too for safety and protection of your car, of course. So pump it up until I think 10 centimeters air or space under the wheel. This is enough. You are able to walk under the car. So if you like, or if you finished the work, open the valve and let the car back on the ground again. Good job. Then extract the car jack, extract the wedges, and job's done. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Maybe, of course, you will see my videos again soon.